सोंसड्यार कोयराचें जें साम्राज्य वाडलां ताचेर बायोमायनिंग प्रक्रियेन सुटावो काडूं येता. हाचेर जी-सुडा अभ्यासय करतात, अशी माहिती सिटीजन फॉर सोंसडो ह्या संस्थेन दिल्या. आरडीएक्स खातीर मडगांवच्यान मंदार नायक.
As citizens for Sosro, we have been taking up the issue of the old Sosro garbage dump with different government agencies, and finally we got a solution which was decided at the HPC meeting, where the GSPCB proposed that it is possible to remove the old dump through a process called biomining, and that the proposal that was being made by some people and by the municipality of capping the old dump was not necessary. And after this decision, the GSPCB and the GSUDA started the process where they appointed a consultant to study this solution and to give a presentation. Over the last 20 years, it has caused havoc with our water. All the wells in that area is polluted. It has caused havoc with health, the allergies and sicknesses of people, especially around that area. So the solution has been proposed, and yet for some reason that we do not understand, they are trying to revisit capping, which we are very much against. And this is an ultimatum to them that if they do not, post monsoons, if they do not start the biomining process, then the people from Gogol, from Maina, from Rashol, from Raya, Kurtori, Maina and all surrounding areas will come on the streets and stop that. And then we will not be responsible for what happens.
Mr. Narona Bhavan, तांणी क्लियरली सांगलें की कॅपिंग जालें जाल्यार द कॅपिंग हॅज टू बी मॉनिटर्ड फॉर 30 years. कित्याक तें जेन्ना डिकम्पोज जाता तातूंतल्यान मिथेन येता आनी तें जर सारकें मॉनिटर करना जाल्यार इट कॅन बी अ व्हेरी बीग हॅझर्ड. म्हणून ताणें सांगलें. आनी दुसरो रशीद बाबान सांगलें तशें व्हॅल्यू ऑफ द लँड, एंड द लँड इज स्कॅर्स रायट नाव. सो हे दोनी वस्तू खातीर बायोमायनिंग आनी बायोमायनिंगाचो प्रोसेस भयंकर फुडें पावला.
When you don't have the bed, imagine what is the life of that capping. Where is the mud going to come from? Which hill are they going to cut? As it is, we don't have enough hill. Most of the hills are cut, and what is left? So what are they trying to do? They should, if they start biomining, they are setting a precedent to others, so that they also can try and work out a solution. What we need is a solution, not hide a problem. They are trying to just conceal that problem, and that is not the solution that we want. We want a biomining by anyhow started, put into place, and let other villages, other corporations follow this. Other cities also can follow it. They can study this. We need to start somewhere.